In the heart of Paris, a revolution of scale is unfolding. While the world chases raw square footage, true connoisseurs know that architectural soul cannot be measured in meters, but in moments of awe. Welcome to a 100 square meter jewel box that doesn't just rival mansions twice its size, it outshines them. Through bespoke walnut artistry and the ethereal glow of rare marble, we explore a residence where every inch is a deliberate stroke of genius. Size is a choice, luxury is a feeling. Is it possible to live larger in a smaller space? Let's step inside. The journey begins at the limestone threshold of a classic Haussmann facade. Here, the historic prestige of Paris meets a modern, curated vision. The ornate wrought iron balconies stand as silent sentinels of tradition, yet the glow emanating from the floor-to-ceiling windows hints at a contemporary interior of unparalleled refinement. High-contrast sunlight dances across the pale stone, emphasizing the crisp lines of a residence designed for the elite. It is an invitation to elegance. The exterior promises history, but the interior delivers the future. Step into the salon, a light-filled sanctuary where the jewel box concept truly breathes. Chevron oak floors lead the eye to a monumental fireplace carved from rare Calacatta Borghini marble, its gold and gray veining acting as natural art. The room is framed by bespoke walnut wall panels that conceal state-of-the-art technology, maintaining a minimalist aesthetic without sacrificing utility. Sunlight carves sharp, cinematic shadows across cream silk furniture. A room that breathes light and exhales luxury. The master suite is a study in transparency and intimacy. Utilizing innovative smart glass partitions, the room maintains an airy, open-plan feel during the day, only to transform into a private cocoon at the touch of a button. A plush bed, draped in the finest linens, is framed by a headboard of rich walnut cabinetry, offering both warmth and sophisticated storage. It is a masterclass in how to balance visibility with the sacred need for personal sanctuary. Privacy has never looked this transparent. Hidden in plain sight, the kitchen is a triumph of now you see it, now you don't design. Tucked behind folding bespoke walnut doors, the culinary space is a monolithic masterpiece of Calacatta Borghini marble. Every appliance is integrated, every handle is recessed, and every surface is polished to a mirror finish. It is a professional-grade workshop disguised as a piece of fine furniture, proving that utility and high-end aesthetics are not mutually exclusive. A chef's dream, hidden behind a craftsman's walnut masterpiece. Rising above the salon, the mezzanine level offers a dramatic vertical perspective on the home's layout. Reached by a floating staircase, this elevated retreat features glass railings and a library wall of floor-to-ceiling walnut. It serves as a quiet observatory, a place to reflect while overlooking the rhythmic geometry of the living space below. The play of light between the two levels creates a sense of infinite volume, defying the apartment's modest footprint. Elevation brings a new perspective on small-scale grandeur. The bathroom is less of a utility space and more of a private spa, clad entirely in rare Calacatta Borghini marble. From the monolithic bathtub to the book-matched walls, the stone's bold veining creates a rhythmic, organic energy. Polished brass fixtures add a touch of warmth against the cool marble, while a hidden skylight allows the moon to reflect off the wet surfaces at night. It is a sensory experience designed for total rejuvenation and quiet opulence. Bathe in the heart of a mountain, refined by Parisian hands. In Paris, outdoor space is the ultimate currency. The entry courtyard is an intimate garden of calm, featuring manicured boxwood topiary and ancient cobblestone. Dappled sunlight filters through the archway, hitting the dark wood and brass of the grand entrance. It acts as a physical decompression chamber, transitioning the guest from the vibrant energy of the Parisian streets into the hushed, curated luxury of the jewel box. It is the perfect prologue. The transition from city noise to silent luxury begins here. Ascend to the zinc-lined rooftops for a view that belongs on a postcard. The private terrace offers a panoramic sweep of the city skyline, with the Eiffel Tower standing as a distant neighbor. Minimalist lounge chairs sit atop bespoke walnut decking, surrounded by the iconic gray chimneys of Paris. At golden hour, the high-contrast lighting turns the marble-topped bistro tables into glowing beacons, creating the city's most exclusive cocktail lounge. The City of Light is your personal backdrop. Productivity meets prestige in the home office. A floating desk of Calacatta Borghini marble seems to defy gravity, anchored by walls of deep walnut cabinetry. Smart glass allows the occupant to remain connected to the rest of the home or vanish into a focused deep work state. The lighting is sharp and intentional, designed to highlight the rich textures of the wood and the precision of the architecture. It is a space where billion-dollar ideas are born. Where the art of business meets the business of art. The rear garden terrace is a hidden emerald in the heart of the city. A vertical green wall provides a lush, living tapestry against the limestone walls, while a bespoke walnut dining table invites alfresco evenings. The high-contrast shadows of the foliage create a dynamic, ever-changing floor pattern. It is a rare urban luxury, a private patch of nature that feels entirely disconnected from the metropolitan bustle just meters away. A secret garden for those who value silence. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Parisian jewel box. In a world of excess, this 100-meter residence reminds us that the finest things often come in the most curated packages. If you believe that design should prioritize soul over scale, like and subscribe for more architectural deep dives. Experience the height of Parisian luxury, 1 square meter at a time. Until next time, live beautifully.